7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7.
India still teaches its children through a 19th century Macaulay system. But the 21st century demands something different. At BS International School, we believe education must integrate academics, science, and sports. This is true holistic education, nurturing not just marks, but character.
Togetherness is very important. We are teaching here the holistic education system. With the holistic way, we want to make the child's character. We are emphasizing the character. That is the most important part for the human life.
As our chairman says, togetherness is very important. We are teaching here the holistic education system, and we are emphasizing character. And now, a bold step forward. For the first time in India, children from class 6 to 12 will step into a startup hub, a space where innovation meets entrepreneurship. Here, students will explore drone technology, robotics, artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and embedded systems.
Any entrepreneur can become at the age of 13, 14, 15 also. That is our intention, to make them to create the temperament of the entrepreneurship.
Brainy Star Foundation is investing 1 crore rupees in this vision. And in this model, 49% of profits will go directly to the children.
We ensure that every child not only excels in academics but also develops values and life skills.
This is more than a school. It is a movement to nurture leaders, innovators, and entrepreneurs of tomorrow.
We don't want to any of our BS student should search for job. Every student, we wish to create the jobs, to serve the nation.
Admissions for the 2026 to 27 academic year at our Electronic City Bengaluru campus are now open. Secure your child's place today. Don't let them miss the chance to change the future.
I am very confident that my rich experience of 25 years as a teacher of mathematics and administrator from different corporate schools will make BS International School as one of the pioneers in the educational industry.